We will talk about exciting spacewalks on the International Space Station, ISS. NASA has announced spacewalks planned for critical repairs and upgrades to the station. These spacewalks are crucial for both maintaining the ISS and equipping it with new technologies. 3 spacewalks will take place in June and are critical for increasing the station's energy capacity and updating systems. The first 2 spacewalks will take place on June 9th and June 15th. During these walks, 2 new solar panels will be installed to increase the station's power generation capacity. Astronauts Stephen Bowen and Woody Hoberg will carry out these important tasks. The new solar panels are critical to meet the ISS's energy needs and ensure that scientific research continues uninterrupted. They will be integrated into existing systems to increase total energy production and extend the station's operational life. NASA will broadcast these spacewalks and related press conferences live. At the June 11th press conference, NASA officials and astronauts will share details of the walks and expected results. These live broadcasts will be available on NASA TV, the NASA app, and NASA's website. Spacewalks not only maintain the ISS, but also provide important experience in space technology and engineering. Astronauts perform critical tasks to test new technologies and improve existing systems. These missions are also an important foundation for future deep space missions. Spacewalks are part of NASA's goal to ensure sustainable living and working conditions in space. They are crucial to the success of not only the ISS, but also future missions to Mars and the Moon. You can follow these exciting missions on NASA's live broadcasts and learn firsthand what's happening in deep space. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and updates. See you in the next video.